This is your speaking test of IELTS. In the first part of examination, I will ask you a question about languages. My question to you, how many languages can you speak?
To be honest, I can speak just two languages. First of all, Urdu, and other language is English
Why?
because Urdu is is my national language, and English is foreign language, and mostly I am learning this language because I have planned to move foreign country. That's why I know about English.
Fantastic. Next question, how useful English will be for your future?
Hmm, I think it will be very useful for me because whenever I will go out of country, there I can survive very good. Uh, because if I know how to communicate with another, I can. If I don't know about English language, so I can't. Then I feel that yes, it's difficult for me that without English, without this language, I can't do anything.
Okay, next question, what do you remember about learning languages at school?
Um, Sorry, repeat the question.
What do you remember about learning languages at school?
I think I just know that in my school we use Urdu only because I was studying in Urdu medium school. So in my childhood, we just speak in Urdu or and talking with each other in Urdu.
Okay, what do you think would be the hardest language for you to learn?
Yes, I have one language, of course, that is Spanish because my mother is in USA and she tell me about Spanish that Spanish is very difficult because when they speak, I can't understand anything. And once when I listen, that time I feel yes, it's very difficult.
Okay, that is the end of part one. I just want to give you some of my feedback. Try that you do not use the same words as they are asked in the question. Try to paraphrase them. For example, जैसे कि आपसे मैंने सवाल किया था, how useful will English be to your future? So आपने जवाब दिया, I think it will be very useful. तो almost आपने same words use किए. Instead of useful, you could replace that word with some other, word. Can you think of some substitute of useful?
Yes,
Try
it's useful,
very helpful,
very helpful.
beneficial,
Yes, sir. It's
beneficial,
can.
right?
Yes, sir. Beneficial. Very helpful.
Think of these kind of words, especially verbs that you or
Helpful. Very
adjectives that
beneficial.
you can replace with another word. They always help you. They always assist you to get a good band score in each module.
Yes,
So this is
sir.
in each part. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is the end of part one. We're now moving towards part two, where you will have to talk about on the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to prepare yourself what you are going to say. You have the pen and the papers for you if you want to make some notes. And your topic in part two is describe a website that you bought something from. You should say what the website is, what you bought from this website, how satisfied you were with what you bought, and explain what you liked or disliked about using this website. Okay? So you have a minute
Okay, sir.
to prepare yourself. Okay, Adila, would you like to start now, please?
Uh, in my country, there are lots of websites which people use, but here I would like to tell you about my own thing, that uh, Draz website. I'm here. I will tell you about my favorite website, that is Daraz. Whenever I buy something, I just open this website and just go there, see items relating to my stuff. But last time I used it for, I think, yes, for buying cloth, as well as sell, because my brother-in-law said me I wanna a new cell phone on my birthday, so I bought cell phone for my brother-in-law from the RAS. And when the best thing about this website is that they deliver on time. And one more instructing thing about it, that if you don't need and don't need that stuff, or your stuff is very rough, they can you can give them back, and they send you again new piece of that item. As well as I'm very happy because this website give us lots of benefit, and that we if we stay at I will stay at home and we can buy
Thank you very
anything.
much, Candid Adila. That is the end of part two. So, my suggestion that you should also talk about something that you disliked. Okay, but overall,
Yes,
it's
sir.
a good speaking test. Part two. We're now moving towards part three. In the part three of your examination, I will ask you a question about shopping online. My
Okay,
question
sir.
to you: what kinds of things do people in your country often buy from online stores?
Well, to be honest, I don't know, but I think mostly people buy household things from website, because mostly women have no time that they go bazaar or malls and buy something, because they are these days everyone is doing job, and also they are looking after of their parents. That's why they mostly buy household items and as well as clothing items.
Okay, next question. Why do you think online shopping has become so popular nowadays?
Hmm. I know. I love. I have lots of interest in shopping, so people also love, because whenever I go outside for shopping, I just see crowded of people, and I think they have crazed about shopping on different relating to different items. So these days people have lots of craze towards shopping online.
Okay, next question. What are some possible disadvantages of buying things from online stores?
There are several benefits, because first of all they give you, on
Well,
if you do
allow me to interrupt you.
online.
In the examiner will not stop you, but I must interrupt you. My question is, what are some possible disadvantages of buying things from online store?
Sorry, sir. Mostly, there are not to manage, drawbacks of online shopping, because there are few ones. That is, that is, they will not change your stuff, if you have any problem in in clothing items or maybe cosmetic. So one another is price issue. If they said we have discount 2%, but when they send that thing at home, they add some tax, and they didn't mention on on website. I think these two disadvantages people mostly don't like.
Thank you very much, candidate Adila. That is the end of your exam. Wish you good luck with your results.
Thank you, sir.
तो थोड़े से मैं पॉइंट्स जरा बता देता हूँ ओवरऑल
Yes, sir.
टेस्ट इज नॉट दैट बैड इवन दो यू टाइड टुडे इतना बुरा नहीं हुआ बस कोशिश करें कि रेलेवेंट रहते हुए और जो है डिस्टेंस में सवाल आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू जिस जमाने में डिस्टेंस में सवाल किया जाए डायरेक्टली उस टेंस में पहले जवाब दें एंड देन ऐड सम एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन
Okay, sir.
और इन पार्ट टू मेक श्योर कि आप जितने भी पॉइंट्स हैं जितने भी बुलेट पॉइंट्स हैं उनको कंप्लीट टच करें और 2 मिनट के बैरियर को आप इजीली उसको क्रॉस कीजिए ऑलराइट अदीला